as relates to the application by Mr. Ochieng Dati, my friend, first, Madhu paper was pre-2010 constitution. That is important for the court. It was a commercial matter relating to restitution. So it was a remedy in private law, not in public law. Madhu paper was pre-2010 constitution. It was a commercial matter, a restitution in private law. So this will not apply. The second issue, application by Mr. Ndegwa, learned counsel, I am looking forward to reading the decision of the court, because those were issues that we were on our feet for 30 minutes arguing about the role of IEBC and what needs to happen. So already the court has made a decision on that, and likely the answer will be in the ruling that the court has already read. Third one, and most importantly, I want to point to the court the case of Eliud Matindi and two others versus the President of the Republic and the PSC, E084 of 2023. It is the CAS matter. And it feels almost like deja vu that Ochieng Dati is here making this point. We lost that matter in the High Court. The court made a finding that the offices of CAS were not constitutional office. We were on our feet for a long time trying to urge the court to give us a Madhu paper injunction. And the court said, if the issue related to constitutional compliance or constitutional infraction, as the court has already noted, that the position of the Constitution must remain operational from the decision of this court, then that injunction will not apply. The remedy is for the parties to apply to the Court of Appeal for an appeal or a review of that decision. So those three things can clarify those two issues for the court. We think these applications are not merited, and the court and the parties should put more effort into the fight for the application. Thank you.
Madam President.